that has begun for the alleged sexual assault case accused Prajwal Revanna's return. He is supposed to return in 2 days according to the video that he self-posted. Now, on the other hand, trouble that is mounting for HD Revanna as well. The father, the S.I.T, which has filed a plea opposing his bail in the kidnapping case. Meanwhile, Bhavani Revanna, Prajwal Revanna's mother, has applied for anticipatory bail, fearing her arrest in the same case. Times Now, meanwhile, has accessed the boarding pass of Prajwal Revanna. According to the boarding pass, a business class ticket has been booked in Prajwal Revanna's name. The flight that would be leaving on the 30th of May at around 4:35 p.m. according to IST, which is the Indian Standard Time. The plane would be arriving in the next day at around 12:30 a.m. and accordingly at 10 a.m. what is being said on the 31st of May, as said by Prajwal Revanna in that video, he will be making an appearance before the S.I.T. In the meantime, let's get you a breaking update of the Karnataka Home Minister G. Parmeshwara saying that Prajwal Revanna will be arrested in all likelihood at the time when he steps foot in the country at the airport, as an arrest warrant has already been issued in his name.
ವಾರಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವರು SITನವ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರ ಹೇಳಿಕೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಅವರ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ವಾರಂಟ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Let's go to Deepak now. Deepak, what happens once Prajwal Revanna returns to Bangalore?
Well, as per the ticket details, of course, that we've now got access to, he's expected to leave from Munich tomorrow. He's expected to reach Bengaluru at about midnight, and that is again tomorrow midnight. And that's under the date, of course, will be 31st at that point. And he's also said that 10 a.m. he'll appear in the S.I.T office. Now, according to him, he wants to do it as per his whims and fancies. But the Home Minister, of course, believes otherwise. He says that the S.I.T is probably going to arrest him at the airport. He also says there's a warrant against him. We should understand that there was also a lookout circular that was put out. There was also a blue collar notice. So immediately, as soon as he boards any aircraft, there will be intimation that will be sent to the officials here in India. CBI, in all probability, will be the first agency that will get to know, which will then inform the S.I.T as well. Now, the S.I.T has made all preparations. They are going to question him first at the S.I.T office, is what we've been told. Later, he will also be taken to Hassan, to some of these places where the alleged, rape has taken place, and all the crimes that have been committed, to the bungalow there where he resides, the MP bungalow, and also his residence as well. So all of this is going to be a matter of investigation. But at this point in time, the wait, of course, continues, because last time where he put out a statement through his legal team, we saw he didn't live up to his words, and then came out with that video just a couple of days ago where he says that while he wanted to appear before the S.I.T for questioning, Congress started to conspire against him. Mr. Rahul Gandhi started to make statements against him, which led him to go into depression. So he's gone into a mode of, saying that he's the victim at this point. We'll really have to see what sort of a watertight case that the S.I.T has been building in terms of collecting evidence up until now to ensure that, if, they can really prove these crimes against him, they should do it in a, manner that will bring justice to the victims in this particular case.
Well, the State Home Minister has been saying that the minute he steps foot in the country, he in all likelihood would be arrested, as there is already an arrest warrant that has been issued in his name. Deepak continues to be with us while we talk about how trouble is mounting for the JDS MLA HD Revanna as well, who is also accused in a rape and kidnap case. As far as in the latest development, the S.I.T has filed a plea challenging HD Revanna's bail in the kidnapping case. It is the same case in which HD Revanna has been also arrested. On the other hand, HD Revanna filed a plea seeking quashing of 2 cases against him. Meanwhile, Special Investigation Team has intensified its probe into the alleged sexual assault case against Prajwal Revanna. Salutes have been searching the MP quarters in Hassan, where he stayed. The search went on for several hours, where bed sheets, pillow covers, blankets and everything was seized.